Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can connect your Shopify with Pinterest so that your products appear on Pinterest. So let's get right into it. What you're going to want to do is you're going to go into apps. Once you're here, you're going to search for an app that actually connects Pinterest to Shopify. So just search in Pinterest, and as you can see, you have the Pinterest app right here, so you can just click on that. Now this will make you sign into Pinterest, and as you can see, this app isn't compatible with my store for some reason, but usually you are able to select this app and then connect to your Pinterest account. Now, as you can see, one of the features of this app is to upload your product catalog and keep it updated in real time, which means whenever you change some of your products on Shopify, it'll take a couple of minutes to a couple of hours or maybe even a day to sync your products from Shopify to Pinterest. But since it does say near real time, I'm gonna go out on a limb and say it's probably a couple of minutes. But yeah, all you have to do is just install this Pinterest app if you can. For some reason it isn't compatible, I'm really not sure why, but once you install it, you just log into your Pinterest account and then it should sync everything up. And I'm pretty sure you do need to have a business Pinterest, you can't have a personal one, but yeah, that's pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.